Do they still use the word corny? Is that still a thing? Well, I guess in some aspects that would describe my personality. I'm a little corny. You have to wait for it to stop. Okay. Let's see. All right. Is that, what is that? Sounds like the fire engine horn. Oh my God, what a genius. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Ah. You got an idea? No. Oh, wait, this is the first time I'm listening to it. I don't know. I was just thinking, like, you know, at the beginning of the. I don't know if I found like a really cool penny, I would go. What else? I don't know. I just thought it was funny. I ordered it. I always wanted one. I got to do it one more time. All right. I thought that was hilarious. I want to share it with you. I'll see you on the next one.